Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to show you how you can start generating income online even if you have not a lot of skill, not a lot of knowledge, but you do know something. You have an area of specialty, something that you can beat your chest and say, hey, I know this thing so well, without buying any course online, without investing in some high-ticket coaching, by just doing simple stuff online. So if you don't know me, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital nomad. I've been traveling full-time for the last 1 year, and I'm from Nigeria, but I live in the United States now. Now, this is not a lot of money that I'm about to show you on the screen because, of course, you want to back up your claims with some type of some proof, okay, which I will do very shortly. This is not crazy money, but I remember when I moved to the United States about 6 years ago. I was 23. Now I'm 29. Can you believe that? I used to see money like this as the holy grail. If I can make something like this per month, I would be good. But now that I make significantly more, this may not mean a lot, but it's still something, and it's still proof that you can make passive income online even if you've done nothing online before. And I'm going to show you why. So this is what you're seeing right here is my Skillshare account. Now, Skillshare is a platform that allows you to learn simple skills, simple creative skills online. It's just like Netflix. You pay monthly, but you are allowed to learn stuff. There's a lot of teachers on there that teach you things. And Skillshare is a platform that allows anyone, if you know something, to upload videos, simple videos, just like what I'm doing right now, to the platform. And when people watch that video, they pay you. When people watch your video, when they don't have to learn anything, but the goal is to teach something. But by just watching that video, they pay you for it. Now, this is my dashboard right here. Total earned about $114, and this is all passive income, by the way. This is completely passive. I haven't done anything since I uploaded this video back in December. So 104 students. So I have 104 students enrolled in my course, and I have 2,000 minutes watched. 2,000 minutes is just like how many hours? I don't know, maybe 30 hours or 40 hours, and I have 40 views. So now people have watched in the month of March 554 minutes, and I will be earning anywhere from $20 to $40. Now, $40 is where it tends to be. Now, it tends to be the higher figure of that range. Now, why this is so significant, why this is so powerful is the fact that I just sat down and I shared something that I already knew, which is how to edit YouTube videos using a software that I use. Simple software. You don't even have to pay a arm and a leg for it. Now, that is the power of this platform right here, because that video only took me a couple hours to put together. I just did a couple of editing here and there, and I just threw it up. The video was not even up to 1 hour long. The video is literally 38 minutes long, or if that. So this platform right here, I uploaded the video, and ever since I've been getting paid month after month. Now, you can make significantly more from a platform like this if you just put up more videos out there. Now, at this point, I only have about 2 courses up there. One is out to edit YouTube videos. One is out to make money using, freelance platforms like Upwork. Now, speaking of Upwork, if you want to learn how to use your skill, your knowledge to generate income, making full-time income online the same way that I do it, I'm going to leave a link down description to my training. It's called Upwork 101. It's a series of videos and ebooks and training materials that's going to teach you exactly how to use your skill, your knowledge, if you have one, and it's going to help you discover your core marketable skill in order to serve other people and get paid for it, so you can start making full-time income. It's only $29. You don't have to get it. This is not a must, but I just have to talk about it here if you are interested in something like that. So first link in the description, go check it out. So back to the subject here. So I have 2 courses on the platform, Skillshare, and the thing is, you don't have to have any specialized knowledge, any specialized skill. If you go on the platform right now, you will see that the majority of courses on there are things that you probably even know: how to take care of your plants, how to edit your videos, how to become confident on camera, how to make a YouTube video, how to make a YouTube channel, things like that, things that doesn't require a ton of effort, and I get paid for it every single month. So if you see right here, my first month I earned $14, my second month I earned $37, my third month I earned $51. Now, this is not crazy money, but this is just on one course. Now, I know people who have about 10 courses on there and getting tons of views. I have not done any form of promotion on this program. I never talk about it on my YouTube channels. I never talk about it on my Instagram. I never do any type of advertising, and this is the type of money that I can earn on there. $51.72, probably gonna, you know, give me a couple of, you know, dinners, you know, a few nights a week. But what I'm saying is, this is still something. This is proof that if you have some type of knowledge, some type of, you know, knowledge that can help other people, you can start making money using platforms like this. Now let's go on there and look at, you know, some types of courses, some type of, you know, videos, just to give you some ideas on the things that you can offer on the platform. Now look here: how to find jobs and write proposals, social media marketing, freelancing on Upwork, travel photography, get started with stock photography, things that you don't even think about. You know, I've seen people teach how to cook dinner on this platform. So that's how crazy it is. And most of these things are, you know, very intuitive things, very, you know, straightforward. Most of the videos, you know, 17 minutes, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 45 minutes, 33 minutes, 35 minutes, 24 minutes, 55 minutes. So you don't have to do too much. As long as you have a camera like this one, maybe you just have an iPhone that can record a, you know, professional looking video. It doesn't have to be super produced or well produced. I've seen people record videos inside of their van, people doing van life. And that is just what you need in order to start generating income online. Now, again, this is not like mind-blowing money. It's not going to change your life overnight, but it's proof that if you stack up this type of videos, you will be getting pretty remarkable results. So that is what this video is about. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this particular subject, or if you just want to, you know, want me to talk about my courses and how I made them in depth. I'll be sure to do that. Again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider doing that right now before you leave. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.